Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about making a digital portfolio, which is just a fancy way of saying putting all of your artwork together in one place so that we can grade it. Let's look at how to get started. First, you're going to find Create a Digital Portfolio in your Classwork tab of Google Classroom. When you view the assignment, you're going to see a group of videos that you should watch to help you figure out how to get started. This one's a little long, but it'll take you through it step by step. Please make sure to watch that one. I've set an example for you so you can look at what's going to be a final project, and I've also given you a template so that you can pull the questions from this template and answer them about each one of your artworks. Let's open the template first so you can see. What you're going to need to do when you create your own portfolio is you're going to need to add a picture of whatever it is that you've made. And then you answer these reflection questions about it. Each one of you will have a shared slide template, so you can start right from here. When you open up the tab that tells you to submit something, this should be in there. So you're going to click on this, and this is where you can start building your project. If I need more slides, and you will, because you're going to take a picture of every single piece of artwork that you have, then you're going to need to come up here to the top corner and add a new slide. So if you make 6 pieces of artwork, then we'll add 6 slides. Before you go too much farther in adding these pictures and questions, let's make sure that we rename it so that there's no question when you send it to me who it belongs to. I believe when you open yours, it should have your name on it instead of just this slide template form. How do I add a picture? Adding a picture is very simple if you use the camera that comes with your Chromebook. So those of you who are at home or in school and you have your piece of artwork with you, and you want to take a picture, you're going to click on the little box with a mountain, and it says Insert Image. So we'll insert an image there. If you've already taken the picture and it's on your computer somewhere, you can upload it from there, but most of us have not taken the picture yet. So what you'll go down to is the Camera tab. Now, mine's not going to work, I don't believe, because I'm currently using the camera, so I'm not really sure what camera is showing up here. Oh, there's one. Oh, so there. Now we've got a camera. And I can put my piece of artwork down, and I can take the picture. Let's see if I can get this focused a little better. Let's just take that picture right there. All right, now that I've got the picture, if you need to take it again because it was crooked or your dog jumped in the way or your neighbor's face was in the picture, that's fine. Just make sure that whichever option you pick over here on the right side is the one that you want, and you have to remember to click on Insert. Once you insert that picture, then you can change it to the size that you need, and you can add it, throughout the page wherever you'd like. The questions need to be answered for each piece of artwork. So, what are the biggest challenges that I faced working on this project? Well, I could not find the crayon colors I needed. Am I happy with it? Yes, I am happy with the project. Why? Tell me why. If you don't like it, tell me why. You're not going to look for a right or wrong answer here. I want to know what you think. Is this something that you would do again? Is this something we can fix for the next person? And then explain why. I like the colors and the wax. Okay. What would I change? I would take my time to finish it. All right, those are just examples of how to finish your question. When you come to the next slide, you need a new picture, so go through all those steps. Do the same questions. Now, if I was smart, I would have taken a copy of all these questions and added them to my next slide before I moved on, before I answered them. So let's do that now, just to make it a little easier. So let's just take those 3 questions, we'll copy and paste them. Copy, paste, Now I have all my questions where I need them when I'm going to finish each project. If we were planning ahead, we could be filling out this digital portfolio throughout the marking period, throughout the quarter, every time you finish something. Most of us don't tend to plan that far ahead, but I'm going to give you this instruction early on in the quarter so that you know it's out there. This is the end of the year project. This is the end of the art class time project. So you need to make sure that this gets turned in with all of your examples. What happens if you have a piece of artwork, you didn't take a picture of it for your portfolio, and you've already taken it home? You can have the picture at home. That's not a big deal. We all have our devices at home. We can do it that way. This is the easiest way to get everything compiled in one place so that Ms. Huffman can grade them for you. Yes, it's art class. We do have a grade here. All right, that is making a digital portfolio. When you are finished, you will close this tab, and you will open up Google Classroom again, and then you would submit it. Now, on my example, because I'm the teacher, I don't have that little box over here on the right that tells me turn it in, because I can't turn in anything to myself. But you will have that box over here, and that's where you would click on turn it in. You do not want to share it with me. That goes through my email system, and then I tend to miss some of those because I get so many emails every day. You want to turn it in, and that's how the grading format works from Google Classroom. Okay, thanks. I'm looking forward to working with you guys this marking period, and let's hope we're in school the whole time, and we don't have to worry about any remote things. Thanks. Bye.